Today's chosen exfoliator is Face Renew 100 from Matisse's Response Corrective line. This is a microdermabrasion exfoliator for home use, so it really gives the skin a proper, thorough exfoliation. Good for people with wrinkles, good for people with dull complexion, good for people with a very rough texture. It's quite an aggressive exfoliator, so if you're sensitive or you're acne prone, please avoid this exfoliator. And always ensure that after you've applied it to avoid sun exposure for 24 hours and also to make sure that you follow with an SPF. But wow, as part of an exfoliator or an exfoliator that reveals a new healthy looking skin, getting rid of dead skin cells and allowing for better penetration of further products, revealing a more radiant, healthy skin, this is your product of choice. The removal process requires you to just dampen your hands quickly once again. Just work through the product so that you can get almost sort of a milky kind of type of texture onto the skin. You can take either sponges or you can take a face cloth, whatever you have available, or you can just splash. I generally just like to wipe your Make sure that you remove all your granules. And there you go, my quick little exfoliation. Follow with tone and moisturize, and your chosen serum, of course.